Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Smiths app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your email address. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to change your email address, what you're first going to do is log on to the Smiths app. Next, click on your profile icon on the upper left-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says profile information and click on that. Now, if you scroll down even further, you're going to see your email address, which is blurred out. Click on edit email, and then this is where it's going to actually prompt you to re-log into the Kroger.com, and then you'll be able to change your email address. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your email address on the Smiths app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.